So thank you, Doreen and Murray, for making time to talk with me today and share with other people interested in the CerebralFit program and using the CerebralFit devices. If you just share a little bit of your story and how it's gone.
Well, it has been very good. When I was first diagnosed, I thought like, wow, is this the end? And then we were introduced to the light, and I was always open to treatment of anything that would work. And then we were introduced to the red light, so I thought, well, can't hurt. So I think when I first started, I didn't really notice too much, except that I thought maybe some of the anxiety was gone. And I think that was directly from the light, because there was nothing else that gave me any kind of hope. And I joined a group with the Alberta Parkinson's Association, and there was a couple there that had been diagnosed about the same time as me. And when I told them what I was doing and they wanted to know what the cost of it was, they just said, "Oh, well, that's, can't afford it," or whatever, but they have not done it. And I just feel that I haven't regressed like the rest of them have. So, and then, yeah, we worked with the light. And then I had an appointment with the neurologist, and he did all his testing, whichever they do. There isn't much, but he said, you really haven't, your Parkinson's has not progressed. He said, "I think you're staying where you are," but he doesn't know why. Of course not. And when I told my family doctor what I was doing, he said, "Oh, good, carry on." And that was all I got there. So anyway, so then been using the helmet, and usually twice a day is what I did. And the other thing is, when I was first diagnosed with it, I was cold. I said my internal thermostat didn't work, and I was incredibly cold all the time. And I don't have that now. Since I got the new helmet, I don't have that.
Great.
And, it I don't know what it is, but the only thing that's different is the red light. So it has,
Sure.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's wonderful. Murray, what have you seen in Doreen over the years?
Well, I've noticed that she says that she hasn't gone downhill at all. Uh, Actually, her walking is better than it was when we first started.
Sure.
She was dragging a leg a little bit, and now you really got to watch to see if that's occurring, which is wonderful. The thing I noticed the most is a month or so ago, and we were off, and now starting back up again, I see a freshness. There's
Yeah.
a bit missing.
Wonderful. All right. Well, thank you both for making time, for being willing to tell your story. Again, I feel it's so valuable for people who are thinking about doing this to hear from people who are doing it and hear how it has gone for them. So this is really a precious gift that you're giving by willing to be on camera and tell your story and let people know you in this way. So thank you for doing that.
You're very welcome.
Thanks for your
Thanks
help.
for all your information.
Yeah.
It's great.